Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the guitar in tune. That ensures intervals sound correct when you play the song. Once tuned, focus on 4 chords, G, C, D, M. These form almost the entire arrangement, so train clean fretting and economy in finger movement. Start with a basic down-up strum at a relaxed tempo so you can hear chord changes. Make sure to keep your wrist loose. This reduces buzzing and helps you build muscle memory quickly. Once you have chords and the basic strum, assemble the progression for the verse. G to M to C to D with 1 bar per chord, repeating as needed. For the chorus, play the same chords but add fuller, louder strums and emphasize beats 2 and 4 to lift the sound. Practice transitions slowly. Count aloud, then speed up in small increments, about 5 to 10%, so your hands adjust without breaking timing. This controlled build keeps accuracy while improving tempo. To finish, layer a simple single-note riff on the high E string over the chord progression to mimic the melody. This gives the song character without complex technique. When ending, resolve to a held G chord and let it ring for a satisfying close. If things go wrong, buzzing strings or timing drift, stop and isolate the problem. Adjust finger angle and pressure, slow the section down, then repeat. That focused, incremental correction is the fastest way to fix mistakes and build confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.